Digits on the beat.
Another episode of Kyle's been working all day. Now he's come up to work in his garage all night. I'm going to start stripping his engine down. Not fully down, just the top, barrel and piston. Have a measure up, make sure what I've got's good. I've got a new piston and all that for it. Yeah, it's wet out there and my door has sprung a leak. So I've had to sweep all the water out. I'm not happy. I've just put a little like a rubber seal on there just for now. Trying to stop the water coming out, but it is what it is. Yeah, it's like monsoon weather today, and I didn't even realise, didn't even think that some water would come in here, but that's my bad. So I've just put a temporary bit of foam there and across there just to help things, and I'll get up here another day, dry it out, and put a proper seal on there. Yeah, it's proper grim out there. The dog don't even want to get out of the van. Oi, come on. No? Alright, stay there then. Oh boy, just went outside. I'm soaked. I'm absolutely soaked. T-shirt all tucked in. Fun's all popping off. Who is that? Oh, it's Harry. Yeah. He don't watch the vlogs anyway. It's only mine and Simon's best mate and all, but you know. Right, let's get cracker lacking. So, covers off. Someone's siliconed it up. There's no point really because it's a rubber seal. You don't, do you know what I mean? The rubber seal's a rubber seal. Why silicone it? Morons. Honestly, every single thing on this bike is loose. Everything. Right, stage one. Now cylinder heads off. Tell you what, it stinks. Oh man, it smells proper bad. It smells like diff oil. That's what it smells like. If you know what diff oil smells like, this is it. These engines are honestly, they're so user friendly. You've got inlet exhaust. You just, you know, you can't go wrong. I've got all new gaskets and that, so this can go in the bin. Okay, this is exactly where I want to be right now. He's ordered ages ago a apparent 150cc kit, and the only difference I've found so far is the carb is a little bit bigger internally, so that'll give it a bit more grunt. But what I'm intrigued to see is what's different about this barrel, whether it's had a new sleeve put in it or whatnot, because I noticed the other day 124 cubic centimeters squared. It got me a bit worried. It really got me a bit worried. Whoa! No. Oh yes, this is the one. I can see that right now. That piston's bigger. Holy moly! So that's what they've done. they've pressed the sleeve out of a standard cylinder head, cylinder, and pressed in a bigger one. Oh my God, this thing is going to go like a rocket. Just can't contain my excitement sometimes. I've had to measure up. So confirmed, bigger piston, bigger barrel, bigger carb, everything's bigger. As you can see, that goes in there, cushy mushy. Look at that. I mean, we're talking millimeters, we're talking 5mm across the board, but it's going to make all the difference. And I can't wait to get it running, tune the carb up, give it a bit of a running in session. Yeah, I better do that really. And then cane the life out of it. So that's that. Oh, pretty much stumped now because I've got no technical data on this, so I don't know torque settings, I don't know valve clearances. I'm just gonna have to have a Google up really. Plus I want to give this head a good clean. I want to clean all that up nice, degrease everything, put it all together, degrease the whole lot. What are you barking at? What? Idiot. Yeah, so I'll be back in a couple of days, put this back together.
Dice on the beat.